So, yikes, this is a big thing. I'm doing this video as a reaction to the whole Terra Luna situation because I think I want to record this, one for historical purposes, and number two, to remind people, if you have been hit by this, I don't know how bad it is. As long as you're alive, you have opportunities for success as long as you're alive. If you're dead, you have no chance for opportunities. That's the thing. The first step of being successful and having a successful life is being alive. Step two, looking for opportunities. I tell that to students all the time. Where I got this was originally someone actually sent me this article on Facebook in one of the crypto groups I'm a part of, and yeah, man, there's some people that have been hurt by this, but not as much to the extent that I've heard some other people. But this is a crazy situation, and there are a lot of people that are kind of sad, kind of scared. But again, it's like if you're alive and you still got some money in, or if you don't, if you had to exit, there's a chance to reset. There's a chance to restart. There's probably going to be a bounce back at some point, at least according to the people at BitBoy Crypto. And the thing about BitBoy Crypto, the big thing about this is that he's got some interesting thoughts on how this all correlates to BlackRock and Citadel. As BlackRock and Citadel look like they were doing a deal with Do Kwon, and that deal related to BTC and UST totally have tanked the market. So again, BitBoy Crypto has some interesting theories on how market manipulation coming from Citadel and BlackRock have affected the overall market and done a lot of damage to retail investment and potentially the industry institutions. He's got some theories. I'd like to hear his theories. Other people say this is normal, this is free markets, but I do kind of subscribe to some of the theories he has about BlackRock and Citadel's manipulation with Do Kwon, Terra USD, and Terra. Going with that, and just I want to get capturing this like moment in time. There are people that are buying Terra USD because they feel it's going to go back to $1. So people that got in here like at 33 cents and potentially have sold at the all-time high of 80, you've actually made some money here. This is ridiculous. So that's the gamble now, is that if this is truly a stable coin, at some point it will be stable again. Not financial advice. Do your own research. That's other people's gambles. I have no Terra USD at this point, but that's what people are thinking. And it might pay off for them. I hope it does. I'm considering it, but I'm in no place to put more money into this market right now. Now, Terra itself has gone down to 34 cents. So Terra is the Terra is the coin, the project related to Terra USD. So it's really tanked. As you can see here, just like about, I don't know, last week it was like $82, and now it's just really, really low. It's ridiculous. And it's funny, is I was thinking about buying some of this. Luckily I didn't. Is it a good time to buy into the project now? I don't think it is, but it's down to 34 cents. However, if you're looking for bad ideas and projects you want to buy into, Cardano is now 43 cents as well. Woo! But we got a little bit of a bounce back. I'm tempted to buy more ADA if I can, but again, I don't think I can. Relatively poor, but got a lot of opportunities ahead of me. So that's what I mean. I practice what I preach. Now, step one is being alive to the path to success. Step two is looking for opportunities and wonderful people to struggle together. And I'm struggling with people together, but we're doing okay together. And that's the key point, right? Working with people, helping people that can help you. Live a better life, yada yada, you know all that stuff. But here's the funny thing about it. Charles Hoskins like kicking people when they're down. Hoskins is like the Zen Voodoo guru of crypto, and he's just quoted Do Kwon, and this may not be the best time. Again, it's funny when Charles Hoskins is petty for comedy's sake, but it's terrible in the sense that right now, as people are not so much Do Kwon, but as other people that I even know have been affected by this, luckily people I know have been affected to a large degree, or at least at a degree of suicide. But there have been a lot of people, and this is sympathies and condolences. This could happen to anybody. However, if the project is actually good, Terra could go back up. But to be honest, I've been looking at some videos and some things about it. Terra to me is too centralized. I want to have something that's more decentralized, and Cardano seems to be more decentralized at this time in the project. So there it is. So hey, put your comments and thoughts. What do you think about this whole Terra Luna situation? Potential BlackRock Citadel market manipulation that they found on the wallets, so forth and so on. And again, if you're new here, I'm going to try to do more videos more consistently related to crypto, NFTs, and game development, as I am a game developer on 2 game projects within the Cardano ecosystem. You've been lovely. See you all in the next one. Stay safe, and please stay positive or supportive to people that might be hurting. It's just a general good thing. It'll help all of us, humanity and society, I feel. Cheers. Bye.